Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Welcome back to Engliopedia, the place where learning English becomes easy and enjoyable. Today's video is about the full exercise of the lesson Women's Role in the Pakistan Movement, including comprehension, vocabulary, and grammar. Section 1, Comprehension Questions and Answers. Analyze the third paragraph of the lesson and identify the sentences that support the main idea through cause and effect. Pause 3 sect. Main idea: women's role in the Pakistan movement after the Patna session. Supporting sentences: Quaid-e-Azam formed the Muslim Women's Subcommittee in 1938. By the mid-1940s, many women came forward to organize and mobilize women workers. Prominent among them were Jahanara Shahnawaz, Salma Tasadduq Hussain, Zari Sarfaraz Shaista Ikramullah, and Lady Abdullah Haroon. What ideas and issues have been explored in the fifth paragraph of the text, Women's Role in the Pakistan Movement? In the fifth paragraph, the issue of the 1946 elections is discussed. The Muslim League won all the Muslim seats, but was excluded from forming the government. This unfair treatment led to large-scale demonstrations by both men and women members of the League. Section 2, Vocabulary. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Engliopedia, your guide to easy learning.